boom, 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 boom.
Damn, this guy is too cute. Hello, excuse me, brother, excuse me.
It is smoky, boy.
Okay, you look so calm, you look so fine, cute, handsome. I don't know if anyone has told you, but allow me to take care of you, please.
Okay.
Yeah, I can take care of you. It's not a laughing. What do you need? Is it a car? Do you want a house? Do you know me? Do you know who I am? Do you know what I own? I can change your life, baby. Okay? I can just give me your number, okay? I'll take care of you. Don't worry about anything. Everything with me is settled.
Okay.
A car, you get it. A house, you get it. I promise. Okay?
I get 2 children.
Hey!
You go feed them.
Hey!
Who be this one? Come on, Sheba, bro. What is this? Can you imagine?
Come, man, come and feed us now. Baby girl, come and buy me Lambo now.
Nonsense.